Hello. Thank you very much for watching our review. Dear viewer, we kindly ask you to like this video in advance. Your like is very important for the distribution of the channel Guru.Markets. We will analyze the main indicators of the company RILY Financial Inc., ticker RILY. This review was created using information as of May 21, 2024. By classification Guru.Markets organization RILY Financial Inc. belongs to the subcategory Exchange. 50 companies participate in the assessment, which is very representative. We start with summary information about the company. If you are interested, you can put it on stop. We suggest studying every parameter of the company scrupulously. Access to the database with the structure of company tickers is free and free. Market capitalization of the organization RILY Financial Inc. is $0.93 billion. Market capitalization of the subcategory is $658 billion. RILY Financial Inc. has a share of 0.141% and is one of the very small companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is estimated at $0.22 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $171 billion. RILY Financial Inc. constitutes a share of 0.131%. Having compared the shares of stock exchange and book value, we see the following. Share RILY Financial Inc. in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 0.141%. The book value is 0.131%. This is 7% less than the share of market value. Assessment of the organization's share of the market and book value of the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. The company's debt obligations amount to $2.24 billion. Debt to book capitalization amounts to 18.2% of the company's capital. Rating for the level of the company's debt obligations. Very bad, -2 points. The balance of the company's market value to its profit is 0. The subcategory average is 35.9, which is worse than the subcategory average. Assessment of the company's stock price to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was -$153 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. And this is very negative for the company's prospects. An assessment of the projected future profit indicator in comparison within the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. The company's price-to-revenue ratio is 0.7. The average in the subcategory is 3.2 and this is 78% lower than in the subcategory. Assessment of the company's market value to revenue indicator in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $1,420 million. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is unknown, which is extremely bad for the company's prospects. An assessment of the projected future sales indicator in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. If you are interested in our analytics, then, in this case, we kindly request you to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. Many thanks for your important subscription. The margin is -10.7%, with an average in the subcategory of 8.9%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 19.6%. Assessment of sales margins in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, -0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of employees in the subcategory is 1.235%, which is 776% more than the share of market capitalization. And this fact reflects the discrepancy between the company's exchange price B. RILY Financial Inc., most likely towards underestimation. The amount of market capital for each employee of the company is equal to $390,000. Whereas for the subcategory $3,409,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the organization's indicators is 88.6%. Estimation of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit for each employee of the company is $0,000, with an average for the subcategory of $95,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 100%. Estimation of profit per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, -0.5 points. The share of revenue for each employee of the company is $598,000. By subcategory $1,069,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 79%. Estimation of sales volume per individual company employee in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Tolerable, -0.5 points. The volume of short transactions was 55.9%, with an average for the subcategory of 3.6%. This is a short squeeze risk indicator. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 53% for the company B. RILY Financial Inc., whereas in the subcategory this level is 57%. On average, securities of the subcategory are valued approximately the same as shares B. RILY Financial Inc. Comparing the price movement of a company's shares B. RILY Financial Inc. in subcategory shares. We see that over 12 months the promotions B. RILY Financial Inc. showed a dynamics of -15.8%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory of 18.7%. This definitely doesn't mean anything, but you need to take note of this fact. Result: -7 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is 1.2 points. If you look broadly, within the entire stock market in aggregate, we can note that the average result for the stock market as a whole is 0.3 points. Against a score of -7 points for the company B. RILY Financial Inc. Let's look at the order table. It is available. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all previously made decisions by the help System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and free. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of securities analysis B. RILY Financial Inc. Guru.Markets. Open an order. For a reason B. RILY Financial Inc. is the most overvalued company in the subcategory. It should be recalled that earlier May 2, 2024, an order was published, ticker MTC. Information and Reference System for Stock Valuation Guru.Markets. A decision has been made on this order. Close the order. The result is a profit of 65.3%. Thank you all very much for watching to the end and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets. You are all the most excellent audience.